everyone, welcome to the online session of English. Students, as you know that in our English class, chapter number 6, The Making of a Scientist is going on, which is written by Robert W. Peterson. And in this chapter, we are reading about Richard H. Albright, who was a great scientist, who was greatly fond of collecting rock fossils, coins and butterflies. And as he was greatly interested in science, after reading book Travels of Monarch X, which was presented by his mother, and he was very near to his mother, and his mother was a strong pillar in his success, and his mother always provided all the facilities and equipments which were needed for learning. So now, as he was taking great interest in learning science, and he was eager to know new things. So as he did research about butterflies, migration of butterflies, and he took out many decisions, and then he gave many theories. So as day by day he was becoming famous, he was becoming popular, and he was participating in different fields and was also getting many awards. So now today we are going to continue this chapter. So first of all, let's have a look on the hard words. Determination. Determination means firmness of purpose. Stargazing. Stargazing means looking at the stars. Migrate. Migrate means move from one place to another. And curiosity. Curiosity means a desire to know or learn. And now let's have a look on the key points which we are going to cover in today's explanation. Richard raises monarch butterflies. Richard enters country science fair. Richard's 8th grade project. And Richard's win at country science fair. So here students, now let's see all these points in detail. As I told you already, that Richard H. Albright, who was having a great interest in science. So here he started raising monarch butterflies. How? As he decided to raise butterflies at home to study their migration pattern, he would catch a female monarch and take her eggs. He would watch all the stages of development of the butterfly. Then he would tag their wings and free them. He did it for many years and raised thousands of butterflies in the basement of his home. So here, as by raising butterflies, that he came to know about their migration. And after that, he entered into the science fair as he displayed his slides of frogs at the country science fair, but did not win any award. He became little hopeless, and then he realized that he needed to carry out real experiments to win an award. He took suggestions from Dr. Urquhart. As a result of his many experiments, he won many prizes at the country and as well as international science fairs in the coming years, which gave him a great name and fame. Now, Richard's 8th grade project, how he completed and what happened then. Richard tried to find the cause of viral fever that kills thousands of monarch butterflies. He thought that a beetle may carry the virus that causes viral fever. Although this was not the case, but it was a great and interesting point, and because of this he won a prize for his project. And this was a great step in his success, and now step by step he was getting success along with the awards. After that he became motivated to participate in different fairs, and he experimented on viceroy butterflies. He tried to prove that viceroys copy monarchs. Now viceroy do it to protect themselves from birds, as birds don't eat monarchs. The project won the first prize in the Zoology division and overall third prize in the country science fair. So as this can be matter to get information about the migration of butterfly, and later on as to do experiment on viceroy butterflies. So here as he was doing each and every experiment with great curiosity and with great experiment, which was motivating him to do more and more experiment, and as he was getting success in his experiments, so he was proving some facts, and when he was presenting these facts, his theories, his results before the public was admiring, and in this way he was getting admiration as well as awards. So students, in this session we have seen then how Richard raised monarch butterflies and how he entered in country science fair and got awards, and how he made 8 great projects and how he won at country science fair. So in next session we will read the next part of this chapter. Till then, you take care of yourself. Thank you very much.